Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a favorites list in the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app. Then here you can see the restaurants next to the picture. Is on the picture on the bottom right corner you can see a heart-shaped icon. If you tap on it, it will be white, then it's added to your favorites. But if you open one, then you can find this heart-shaped icon on the bottom right corner next to the information. If you tap on it, it will be red. That means that it's on your favorites list. Then go to the bottom right corner to your profile and open the favorites. Here you will see what you liked before. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.